We are to treat the fundamental concepts of mechanics. Take down the heading, fundamental concepts. Take this down, physics is a quantitative science. When you hear the word quantitative, you think of quantity that deals with the study of the world around us. It is a quantitative science because it describes nature around us using measurable quantities. And 6, to discover the mathematical laws relating these quantities. Then we take down the subheading, we have physical quantities. What is a physical quantity? A physical quantity is a quantity which is easily measurable. E.g., these are examples of physical quantities. We have time. Time is easily measurable. We have length. We have mass. We have temperature. We have electric current. Current is measurable. The next we have the amount of substance, which is measured in moles. And we have luminous intensity, which is measured in the candela. We take I by the margin. We have base or primary quantities. Base or primary quantities. When we talk of base or primary quantities, these are quantities whose measurement does not depend on the measurement of other physical quantities and are used to define other quantities. Take for example time. The measurement of time does not depend on the measurement of any other physical quantity, and time can be used, or time is used to define other physical quantities. Take for example speed. The measurement of speed depends on time. And learn. Write this down. These are simply quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. The base quantities are, we have length, time, mass, temperature, current, the amount of substance, and we have luminous intensity. These are the base quantities. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we have 7 base quantities. We take 2i for derived quantities. The derived quantities, these are quantities whose measurement depends on the measurement of base quantities. Write this down. These are quantities whose measurement depends on the measurement of base quantities. They are defined, that means the derived quantities, they are defined in terms of base quantities, e.g., example given, we have area. The area of an object is defined in terms of the base quantity, the length. We have volume. The volume of an object is defined in terms of the base quantity, which is length. We have a velocity, which is defined in terms of the base quantities, length and time. We have a density. We have a force. We have a work, and many others. These are all derived quantities. Then we take this down. We need to note this. Take the first hyphen by the margin. All physical quantities are expressed in terms of a numerical value and a unit of measurement. We take the next hyphen by the margin. To use base quantities to define other quantities, we need an internationally agreed system of units. We need an internationally agreed system of units so that the conventions should be the same. So as someone who does a convention in the US will have the same results as someone who does a convention in Germany. Take the next hyphen. Hate. Like to hate someone. Love. Love someone. Fear. Faith. To believe in something. Beauty. And take ugly. Are all examples of known physical quantities. They are known physical quantities because they are not measurable. We take the next heading, units and measurement. Then we take this down before any measurement can be made, we must know the units of which our measurement is made. We take down this definition. A measurement is defined as the ratio of the magnitude of any quantity to a standard value. Here the magnitude, that means the size. Then we compare it to a standard value. This standard value is called a unit. Call the standard value a unit. Then we note this down. First hyphen, a measurement without a unit is just a number and cannot be called a physical quantity. Take for example, if we are to count the number of students in a given class, we are going to obtain a numerical value. That numerical value has no unit of measurement, so it is just a number, and we cannot term the number of students to be a physical quantity. We take down the next hyphen. A unit of measurement is represented by a symbol. Usually a letter or letters, e.g. we make use of a small m, lowercase m for meter, which is the unit of length. Take the next hyphen. A physical quantity may have more than one unit of measurement. E.g., example given, we have seconds, we have minutes, we have hours, we have days, we have weeks, we have months, and years are all units of measuring time. We take, for example, another example, we have centimeters, we have decimeters, we have meters, we have kilometers, we have miles. They are all units of measuring length. In our next lesson, we are going to treat the system of units. If in case you have any questions on this, what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.